tonto.o.skincare channel, and welcome to my workstation. Today I'm going to be making a very strong whitening scrub with just two products. If you are experiencing darker skin pigmentation, or let me say you are experiencing uneven skin tone around your knuckles, your elbows and your feet, then this video is for you. At the end of this video, you will not only learn how to make this strong whitening scrub on your own, you will also learn how to apply it. So the first ingredient here is the Active Plus Whitening and Peeling Cream for Moroccan bath. And the second ingredient, or let me say product, we are going to be using is the Yoko Sakura Spa Salt. I specifically chose Yoko Sakura because this is actually a whitening salt. It contains collagen, vitamin E, it contains AHA and vitamin B3. And we all know that vitamin B3 is a whitening agent. AHA is also a whitening agent. So these are the two products I'm going to be using for this whitening scrub today. Now, it is very important that you always know the active ingredients in any particular product that you want to use. Now, for this Moroccan bath peeling cream, the first 6 products listed are the lightning ingredients. It has aqua, kaolin, paraffin, alumina, glyceryl stearate, and polyethylene. Now, these 6 ingredients, they are the actives. They contains bleaching agent. The polyethylene is actually used for bleaching, for bleaches and detergents. Also, the glyceryl stearate is a skin conditioning ingredient. The alumina in it is an abrasive structure. It gives it that abrasive texture. So the paraffin is a wax that is derived from petroleum, and it is also derived from coal. The kaolin is a chemical compound and exfoliator, and it is used for detoxification of sensitive skin. So these are the 2 ingredients that we are going to be using today. Because I am making this for myself, I am going to make a very, very small batch. So I eyeball it. I'm actually making this for myself. This is actually a very, very strong and potent recipe. It is actually working for me, and it has also worked for a lot of my clients. If you know that you cannot afford to buy the whole Active Plus Moroccan bath, I would advise that you beat me up. I will leave my phone number in the description box so that I can give you this Moroccan bath in smaller quantity. I can repackage it and send to you in smaller quantity. So you just mix this together. Eyeball it to ensure do not allow the peeling cream to be more than the scrub. So I'm eyeballing this because this one is actually for me, but if I'm making for sale, I will actually make it by measuring it, following the right measurement. But for those of you who are not very good in eyeballing it, I'm going to be leaving the actual measurements per bag or per sachet of Yoko. You can actually use any Yoko of your choice, but I prefer to use Yoko Sakura because it also has lightning component in it. There is Yoko papaya. There is also, I think there is also one there is one milk one, spa milk salt and all of those. So you can actually use any quantity of your choice. I actually prefer it to be to scrub the dead skin cells. So I do not normally use too much of the peeling cream. So that's why I'm adding more of the Yoko spa salt for that abrasive texture in it. So this is my whitening scrub. So this is how it look. I hope you can actually see it. So this is the finished product. I believe that less is more. It's not until when you go and pack all the different whitening ingredients in the shelves that you know that you have a whitening scrub. I can assure you that this product, if you use it, it will work for you. Now, if it works for people who are very light in complexion, but you can actually use it to scrub all other areas of your body depending on how light you want to be. But if you know, like me, you don't want to be too light, you just want to be in between, then you can use sparingly. When I say sparingly, I mean that you can actually apply it maybe once in a month, because it is actually very potent and it will really lighten you. And if you really want to be like 3 shades lighter, you can use it like 3 times in a month. But if you want to have that chocolatey kind of skin, you don't want to be dark, you don't want to be fair, you just want to be in between. Let me say you want to be like 1 shade lighter. I would advise that you use this product once in a month. Now let's talk about how to apply this product. I do not believe that you should pour water on your body or on those areas that you actually want to lighten for you to achieve the desired result. I believe that if you scrub on a dry skin, it will be more effective. So I would advise you scrub on a dry skin. Once you enter the bath, you just start applying it and rub in circular motions on those areas you actually want to lighten. This is actually very good for people who have uneven skin tone, especially around the feet area, the knuckle area, the elbow area. I'm sure my sisters that are experiencing this, I know you can relate with what I'm talking about right now. So if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. You can send me an email. Let's know if you are having any skin issues, so that we can actually talk, okay? And I would say that it is very important that after you apply it, whether all over your body, but please do not apply on your face. You can apply from your neck downwards if you want to lighten your complexion a little bit, or if you want to lighten, even if you want to lighten it even more, you can also use it. But depending on how many times you use it, that will help you achieve what you want to achieve. And also, you don't need to pour water on the body before you apply this product. Rub it in a circular motion in all the areas that you want to lighten up. Then after you have rubbed it in, leave it in for like 10 to 15 minutes before you pour water on your body. So, and also, because you have scrubbed, the pores in your skin are now open, so you need to use cold water after the scrub. Ensure you use cold water so you can wash away the scrub, and then the cold water will help you to close the pores of the skin, okay? And also, I promised that I was going to show you my hands. So these are my hands. Pardon the plaster. You know now, we women now, I went to make my nails and then I got myself injured in the process. So these are my hands. You can see that I do not have dark knuckles at all. So in my next video, this is my hand. This is my knuckle. You can see. And you can see. So this is the scrub that I've been using. Forget about all those things that people tell you that do and do this, go and miss all the whitening area. No, don't do that. The skin does not want too much too much ingredients at all. So this will do for you. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you about how, after, for the knuckles, for those of us that have knuckles, I'm going to be teaching you how, after you have used this to scrub your knuckles, I'm going to be making a knuckle recipe. Though I'm not going to show you all the things I'm going to be using for the knuckle recipe. So that knuckle recipe will actually help you immediately after you scrub with this this product that I mentioned, that I have done for you today. Then you can now apply that knuckle scrub. So if you want to learn the knuckle scrub, just beep me up, go to my description box, and then look for my contact details. You can email me, then we can actually talk. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So watch out for my knuckle recipe in my next video. Bye.